Let us see some grammar part. Silent letter words. What is silent letter, children? A silent letter is a letter that is not heard when the word is pronounced, but it is included while writing. I'll repeat it. A silent letter is a letter that is not heard when the word is pronounced, but it is included while writing. Let's see with the example, children. Read aloud the following words from the lesson. Here they have given some words. K-N-O-W, no. S-I-G-N-E-D, signed. Okay, the word K-N-O-W has the letter K in it, but it is pronounced as no. The letter K is silent in the word no. See, children, here K-N-O-W, K is there, but while reading only no sound will come, pronounced as no. We can't say that kanao, K will be silent, no. Okay. Similarly, the word sign, S-I-G-N, has the letter G in it, but is pronounced as sign. The letter G is silent in the word sign. We not say that sign, no. This is sign. G will become silent in this. Okay. Let's see with some example. Say the word aloud and circle the letter that is silent. One has been done for you. K-N-E-E, knee. Here K is silent, children. Okay, we can't say that knee. It is knee. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Here B is silent. K-N-U-C-K-L-E, knuckle. But here K, we can't say knuckle. K is silent. Wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. W is silent. While writing, it's all the words should be there. But while reading, these words become silent. Right. W-R-I-T-E. But W is silent. Only R-I-T-E. While pronouncing, W become silent. Right. Wrap. W will become silent. R-A-P, wrap. S-I-G-N, sign. G is silent. W-A-L-K, walk. L is silent. Okay. G-N-A-W, now. G is silent. T-A-L-K, talk. L is silent. K-N-O-C-K, knock. K is silent. S-T-A-L-K, stuck. Here stalk we not say. This will be silent. G-N-A-T, gnat. G is silent. C-O-M-B, comb. B is silent. L-A-M-B, B is silent. Lamb. Children, earlier we have learnt about nouns. Today we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. What do you mean by countable noun? Countable nouns are things that can be counted using numbers. Okay, we can count like one pencil, one pen, two chocolates, one chalk piece. Okay, like this. But we can't count the water. It is uncountable. Okay, we cannot countable nouns are things that can be counted using numbers. They have singular and plural forms. the singular form can use a or an. For example, a man, 2 pancakes, 3 pencils, like this. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted using numbers. They do not have plural form. Some example, water, water children, little water, some milk, or a bar of chocolate. Okay, let us see here with example. Millie and Billy each ate 2 pancakes and drank some milk. Here Millie and Billy ate 2 pancakes and drank some milk. Here 2 means it is a countable. Okay. Some means it is not countable. It is uncountable. Okay. Now answer these questions. How many pancakes did each one eat? How many Millie and Billy ate? Okay. 2 pancakes. 2. How many pancakes did each one eat? 1. Millie 1, Billy 1. Okay. We can count number of pancakes. Each one ate. Okay. Pancake is countable now. How much milk they drink? They drink some milk. Okay. Some means how can we count? We cannot count the number of milk, as milk is liquid and cannot be counted, as milk is an uncountable noun. Children, here whichever the things we can count, they are countable, and whichever the things we cannot count, they are uncountable. Let us see with some example. Read the sentences, write C for the underlined word is a countable noun, and U if it is uncountable. One has done for us. See children, the children fell asleep. Okay, see they written. Children, how many children are there? 1, 2. So we can count. Okay. We bought large bottles of water. 1 bottle, 2 bottle, countable. But water, how much water is there? Can we give any number? No. So it is uncountable. Use less oil for cooking. Oil, 1 spoon, 2 spoon, but quantity? We can measure in quantity but not in number. So it is uncountable. I ate 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is countable. Add some more salt to the vegetables. We can't count no salt. 1 pinch, 2 pinch, but granules of the salt can we count? No. So it is uncountable. I bought 5 books from the shop. How many books children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, countable. So it is countable. We can count it. That's too much cheese on pizza. They have spread the cheese. Can we count the pizza? We can count in grams. Okay, it comes in grams, kg. But we can't count number 1 pizza, 2 pizza, 1 cheese, 2 cheese, like this. So it is uncountable. I have 1 sister. How many sister? 1 sister. So it is countable. See children, the things which we can count, they are countable. The things which we cannot count, they are uncountable. Bye.